I'm going to show you how to deal with TikTok violations, TikTok reports, or if simply your videos were taken down because somebody reported on them. Let's launch a TikTok app, guys, and I'm going to show you the only way that you can actually work this out. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner and hit your profile icon. Then you want to go ahead and hit the 3 straight lines on the upper right. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click submit report. Don't lose your time over here on questions and answers or suggestions. None of this actually work. You want to come down here and submit your individual report. Click submit report. And over here, guys, I prepare a special message that you're going to send to TikTok support team. If I click over here, I can scroll down and I can read everything for you, okay? I did some slashes, so I gave you 2-3 different options of each of the cases you can replace what actually matches to your situation. But if you have a violation, if you have a videos taken down, if you have a copyright claims, this is how you essentially could approach the situation, okay? So first of all, you want to be very polite. Hi there, I have a problem. My videos or my account has been taken down for copyright, or somebody report on someone, right? It might be some competitor might report you that your videos are, for example, dangerous or whatever reason, something that is 100% not related. I've been experiencing this on my other channels. So you want to make sure if it's a copyright, you want to apply what is available here. Section 107 of the Copyright Act provides the stationary framework to determine whether somewhere or something is in fair use and identify certain types of uses such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research on the actual subject. Essentially, if somebody claims that the video is copyright because you use some part of it or use the whole video, if you actually add a comment, if you fall under some of these categories, some of these additions to the original content, you might actually put this as your feedback and essentially explain to TikTok that your video might deserve to be looked on the second or third time from somebody else, and then hopefully will be restored. You can utilize the same strategy if you have other violations, if your account is banned, suspended, shadow banned. Okay, you can just go over and again make sure that you utilize all the upload options. So you see, you can upload up to 4 images, you can upload 1 video. You want to make sure that you screenshot other accounts that using the same content, that their account has not been taken down, only your account has been taken down, and you want to show them that if something is not judged as a violation or copyright for other accounts, why should be for your account. This is what probably you want to think of, and you can build your own message around this message, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.